How should installations be mounted on a floor structure with a screed? Let's say that you have some big ventilation unit that's rotating with perhaps 1200 to 1400 revolutions per minute. And then let's do some painting. And you have a floating floor, some screed. So first you have the building frame, and you got some vibration insulation. Just do it like this. This is an elastic layer. And then you have a screed on top here. And then there's this ventilation unit. We draw it like this. And these things usually come with some kind of vibration isolators. It's standing on something that's elastic so that the vibrations shouldn't be transmitted into the floor structure, and then it can emit sound down here. Maybe this is a dwelling or an apartment or something. So if you do it like this that I painted here, this is not a good idea, because this is going to be like a connected mass spring system, because you got one system up here that's doing some isolation, and then you have something down here a second time. And if these two they might, instead of getting damping, you will get amplification. So this can turn out to be really nasty if you're unlucky. So what you need to do in cases like this is that you should consider something like this. You make an opening in the screed and make sure that the vibration isolators are connected towards connected with the building frame. So this frame needs to be stiff, otherwise these ones will not work as intended. So this is the way you need to do it if you have something up here that is a rotating unit. I don't know if we could draw it like that, but every time that you got something that you want to do vibration isolation, don't do it twice, but instead get it to the building frame, something that is solid and unmovable, and that's where you should connect your vibration isolators, because that way they will work as they were intended. If you do it like I first draw it, you're gonna have a big risk of problems that you could even make things worse, this is not really intuitive, but it's very important to know about. And in today's video, I'm wearing a vest. I think it's some merino wool, a little gray shirt, orange knit tie, and a pair of green pants like this. So it's a very casual outfit, this, but I think it goes really nice together, and I feel pretty casual, and it gives me a great sense of work mode. This is my uniform as an engineer. So I'll see you guys later. Have a nice evening or morning or whatever.